Hey everyone, welcome back to my English channel and I hope all of you are doing well. So today I am going to prepare green pea stuffing. You can use it with any kind of bread stuffing. So if you are planning to make some Bengali green peas kachori or paratha or khasta kachori, it will go with this. It will taste awesome. You can try it. So for this recipe we need some spices like cumin seeds, fennel seeds, 2 pieces of cardamoms, 1 dry red chili. I have taken ginger paste which is packaged. If you want you can take fresh one. And hing or asafoetida. Of course you need green peas. I have taken frozen one. You can take the fresh one also. And I have taken ginger which I cut it into a small pieces. Now I am going to roast all the spices which we have, like 1 dry red chilies, 2 pieces of cardamom and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and of course cumin seeds. You need to saute until it become dark brown in color and it will smells very good, and that time it will start it crackling. And you need to grind it. If you want to grind in mixer grinder, so you need to add more spices. You can store it and you can store by Ziploc bag or by the bottle. Now I have taken green peas which I have washed it, and next you need to put some pieces of ginger in it. And add some salt and sugar. If you are adding in this point, then it will mix very well. So I always prefer to mix it very well. So you need to make it a fresh, smooth batter. It should be a smooth paste, because otherwise if you want to roll the bread it will break. Now it is totally ready, you can see. Now I am adding some oil on a pan and you need to heat it, then put some ginger paste in it and saute it until it became brown in color. And at this point we need to add all the green peas paste. Now add all the roasted ground spices and mix it well. And at this point you need to add some asafoetida. I always prefer to add in this point, because if you are giving in the beginning when we are adding the oil, it can be burned. But in this point if you are adding this, it will always enhance the flavor and it will not burn. And you need to stir it very well. You need to stir it until it stops sticking. Now you need to add all the spices, because you can see it stops sticking that much. Now it is totally ready to be served. You can use it with any kind of bread, and of course if you are trying this for making Bengali green peas kachori, it will taste awesome and great, I can promise you. So thank you so much. Of course you can try at least one. I hope you guys also will enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you.